So I've been teaching Tantra, I've been in the field for over 20 years, and along the way I began to notice that it's not so easy as a couple. Like, many workshops are designed for individuals, and they're amazing. But if you go to them as a couple, it can actually be quite challenging because they want you to work with different people and whatever. And I realized there are people who actually have found someone that they want to go deeper with and learn the Tantra with. So from that realization, we decided to create the Tantric Couple, to create retreats that are designed for couples, whether those couples have been together for like 30, 40 years, or they've just met. Like, many couples also just meet and they're like, hey, let's create a tantric relationship together. So like, let's go on this training. So we always have a great mix of couples who've been together for a range of different times, and yet the work always serves them. So we bring a range of Tantra, from classical Tantra to Neo-Tantra. We always start with some communication tools and what to do when you get triggered, because, you know, that's part of the path, right? So we help people to learn how to get through those difficult moments before diving deep into different tools and techniques. And we're looking at healing shame and parts of ourselves that we've hidden away into the basement that we feel ashamed of, because there's a longing in all of us to bring all of ourselves to our relationship, to be seen fully, to give all that we have to give, to love all that we have to love. And, you know, life just makes us kind of shut down along the way. So these tools are to help us open back up, give our fullest, express our fullest, live our fullest sex, love, and spirit. So that's what it's about.
So we're very much working towards a conscious relationship where we can meet on all levels of sex, love, and spirit. And in these retreats, we go through different stages, through different structures and practices to help you meet each other on new levels, on new depths, if you will. Also, we think it's important that men and women connect with their own sex, so with our own brothers and sisters. So we, in the retreat, always have men and women circles where we share what's going on for us and what's vulnerable for us. And this, especially for men, is a very powerful tool to see and to experience that they're not in this alone, and that whatever they're going through is a very normal part of conscious development in relationships and for themselves. And in that way, they get to meet their brothers, and through that learn what it takes to be a conscious man. And with that wisdom, they can come back to their woman and be in full support of the divine feminine to build the most amazing relationship ever. So if you're interested in going deeper with your beloved, in really building a conscious, spiritual, and juicy relationship, then the Tantric Couple might just be what you're looking for.